Good evening. Myself, Krishna Kiran. I am District Informatics Officer, National Informatics Center, Chikmagaluru NIC District Unit. So today, this video or video conference is about the training to the day nodal officers of Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra program. So there is a Government of India flagship program that is going on across the country. A Vikasit Bharat Sankalp Yatra. So there is an IT portal designed to capture the activities during the Yatra. So there are three different roles. A district admin role where they will create day nodal officers, and a district nodal officer who will plan the route map for the vehicles of this Viksit Sankalp Bharat Yatra, and a day nodal officer who acts as a nodal officer in the field on a particular day. He will be along with the van and he will capture the details of the program and he will upload the data in the portal, so which reflects as the progress of that particular location. So now lead bank managers who have already role of district admin and district nodal officer might have created day nodal officer logins for different branch managers across the Karnataka state. Now they will be shared the user ID and password by lead bank manager of respective district. So once you receive user ID and password, the day nodal officers have few tasks that now I am going to showcase. Now I will share my screen. So this is the website portal address for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra IT portal. So you may note it down. Now, a lead bank manager might have already created day nodal officer logins for all the bank branch managers of respective Gram Panchayat. There is a van coming to a Gram Panchayat based on the schedule that was updated by the lead bank manager for the district. So based on the district schedule, the van reaches respective Gram Panchayatis on prefixed dates and in two different sessions, morning and evening. Now the day nodal officer has to log into the portal and enter the details. Now I have already shared the portal address. Now the user ID for the portal will be the mobile number of day nodal officer. That means a person who is going there to Gram Panchayat. and password will be shared by your respective LDMs, or you yourself can create by using a OTP that is received. Now, I will show the demo of the portal by using one of the day nodal officer login.
Kiran, no voice.
Now, I think you are able to see the portal. Okay. Now, I log in as a day nodal officer. So I entered the mobile number and I gave the password. This is a screen that is visible for a newly created day nodal officer. So particularly my day nodal officer, you can see the role name here. It must show day nodal officer just beside the photograph icon. Beside that, you can see the name of the day nodal officer. This is Yogesh Chandra D. Pandey. He is branch manager. Okay. And the first point what you have to do as a day nodal officer is there are actually 10 different tasks for a day nodal officer. Geotag event. On the left side pane, you can see geotag event, add Utsav committee, add Swagat committee, upload participation, धरती कहे पुकार के परफॉर्मेंस, मेरे कहानी मेरे जुबानी, सतत कृषि, upload on service on spot services, sankalp, and celebration progress. There are 10 tasks for a day nodal officer. So out of
Kiran,
these,
it doesn't display Gram Panchayat here.
sir, wait, sir, I'll show. Sir,
If he
I'll
is
show.
tagged to Gram
Sir,
Panchayat in it, he has to
no,
select.
I'll show. Sir. Once he start entering data, then only he can see.
Okay.
Because he will be given multiple gram panchayats, no, sir. That's why.
Yeah, that's okay. Thanks.
So out of these 10 tasks, first 3 tasks are pre-event tasks. That means you have to update these 3 details before the event starts at a particular gram panchayat. So first thing is geotag event. So once you select geotag event, it will show the following window. Okay. So in this window, what you can see is you have to select one of the gram panchayats allotted to you.
Kiran, yours is muted, it seems.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. So earlier the Yogesh was not mapped to any gram panchayat because the tour map is not decided for that particular taluk. Now I have taken Srijit PV login. So he was allotted a gram panchayat Kalyanhalli. Suppose if the same person allotted multiple gram panchayatis, you can find the list of gram panchayatis over here. So in geotag of the event, that option, first you select the gram panchayat, and the date of the event or date will be automatically comes up because we have already pre-decided the route map. and he has to enter the event time, because some places they may start event at 10 or 9 or 8. So based on that, they may select event. So I'll select 8 a.m. and I click on OK. Now we have to select the location. So what we have to do is, we have to enlarge the map and to go to a particular location and click there, so that the point will be pinned over there. So this point, that pinned point, will become the location, geotag of that location, and we have to click submit on it. So this is how we fix a geotag of an event. We have to select the Gram Panchayat, event time, and open the map and zoom it. And suppose if there is exactly at a hospital, near hospital, you click over here and you click on submit. If you click submit, means that event will be taken place at that particular location. Now every van will be having GPS location. That GPS location, when the van stands on a particular day at the particular location, this mapped one and that van position must match. So that is why, so you fix before the event where the van must go and stand. Most of the places you may keep it in front of your bank branch or some open grounds. Okay. So this is the task 1, pre-event task 1. Now the second task is add Utsav committee. So there may be 2 different committees. One is Utsav committee and one is Swagat committee. Swagat committee is the committee that welcomes the van. Utsav committee is a committee that decides what are all the events to be done at that particular location. So you select the Gram Panchayat and you add the designation of the person and his name and you submit. So you can add multiple officers, one after another in the Swagat committee. And similarly for the Utsav committee. Select Swagat committee, select the Gram Panchayat, designation and officer name are the must, and you click on submit. So there may be a Gram Panchayat member may be participating as a Swagat committee member, or PDO may participate, or any citizen may participate, or otherwise one of your bank officer may participate, or gas agency person may participate as one of the Utsav committee member or Swagat committee member. You just add their designation and name and submit, so that the pre-event tasks, these 3 will be completed. So one is geotag event, another is add Utsav committee, third is add Swagat committee. So the rest 7 tasks of this particular portal are during the event or post event. That means when the event is happening, you can update, or otherwise you collect the data, you write down the numbers and all, you collect photographs, you collect videographs, and you can upload them subsequently once you reach back to the office also. These are the post event tasks. You can very well do it on the event location itself, or you can do afterwards. The first task is upload participation. Once the van comes to a Gram Panchayat, you select the Gram Panchayat and you enter the number of men attended and number of women attended. Number of men and women attended to that particular function, and you add media. Add media means you can add a photograph or a video. Photo must be of a size below 10 MB and your video must be of size below 200 MB. And the photo format should be PNG, JPG or JPEG, or video must be of MP4. That means you can very well capture video through a mobile and you can upload it. The same tasks can be done using a desktop, laptop, or you can do it very well in mobile also. So this is the first post-event task. And next, Dharti Kahe Pukar Ke performance. In some Gram Panchayatis, maybe few people may participate actively, and they arrange some program of singing song or a dance performance or a skit on central government schemes. There may be some performance that is done, that may be done. So in that time, what you have to do is you select the Gram Panchayat and you select yes. If you select yes, performance done yes, then it will ask to upload media. That means you have to upload a photograph or video. Suppose if there is no performance that has taken place, you can very well skip this particular task. Next, third task, Meri Kahani, Meri Jubani. Meri Kahani, Meri Jubani is a tagline for capturing the details of the success stories of a beneficiary. That means in a particular Gram Panchayat, you may be having a success story of a particular person who might have availed a Mudra loan or any other scheme, or you might have a beneficiary who is very much interested to express his gratitude towards the government for a particular scheme. Then what we can do is we can select the Gram Panchayat and we have to select the particular scheme. That means there are a lot of government of India schemes were shown over here. You can say suppose PM Ujjwala Yojana or suppose PM Mudra loan. If a beneficiary who availed Mudra loan wants to speak, you select the scheme name and you add the beneficiary name, mobile number. If available, you can enter, otherwise you can very well skip it. And you can upload a photograph of video, a photograph or video. That means if somebody speaks very well, you can capture the video of it and you can upload the video. So this Mere Kahani Mere Jubani is a success story or a message or suppose a beneficiary who is very happy with the scheme. You can enter those details. It is not necessarily that you can enter only one beneficiary and one scheme. You can add as many beneficiaries and as many schemes. And there may be an apprehension that bank people can only upload the data related to bank schemes. No, it is not correct. Because the bank people who were made as the day nodal officer is the day nodal officer for entire program, irrespective of the departments and the schemes. So they have to select all other department schemes also and capture the details and upload. And fourth task during the event is Satat Krishi. In some Gram Panchayatis, agriculture department or fertilizers and petrochemicals department may come with a drone demonstration of using drones for crop for fertilizers spreading or pesticide spreading. So in that case, you select the Gram Panchayat and you select drone demonstration as S and SHC demonstration S. And suppose if some organic farmer has attended the program, if he attends the program, you enter that is also S. If you don't have any demonstration over there or no farmer turned up, then you can very well skip this. And there are 5 different categories where awards can be felicitated. Maybe few women were identified from self-help groups. They may be awarded during the event. So you select women award felicitation yes, and you enter the number of women felicitated. Suppose some students, maybe you might have conducted a quiz program over there and you might have distributed prizes to them. Then you select yes and you can enter number of students. Suppose if you have a prominent local sports person who attended and you might have felicitated him, you select yes and you enter the details. So local artists, similar way, yes, and enter number of artists. If any other category person who got felicitated, you select other and enter the category of it. So this is the fourth task. And fifth task is upload on-spot services. Now, if you look at the program of Viksit Bharat Sankalpa Yatra, the main aim is to showcase the central government schemes and enroll the new beneficiaries who are eligible for schemes. Besides that, Government of India has identified few schemes or few services to be done on spot at a particular Gram Panchayat. So like TB screening, sickle cell screening, My Bharat volunteer registration, PM Ujjwala registration, general health camp. So health department may come over to the particular Gram Panchayat and they may conduct a TB screening or sickle cell screening or health camp. In such case, you select TB screening as S. First you select Gram Panchayat and you select TB screening yes and you enter number of people screened. Similarly, if sickle cell screening happens, select yes and you enter sickle cell screen. In every point of time, you can take out a photograph or a video of the particular TB screening video or a photograph or sickle cell screening photograph and you can upload along with the data. And My Bharat volunteer registration. Suppose gas agencies may enroll beneficiaries on fly for PM Ujjwala registration. So you can select yes and you can enter number of registrations that may have taken place along with the photographs. And similarly, health camp, if some health camp may be conducted, in such case you can enter the health camp yes and you enter number of people attended the health camp. And for every particular task or every particular on-spot service, you may add a photograph or video. And sixth one, Sankalp. The van will be coming with 3 people. There will be 3 people along with the van. One is the driver and one mic operator and one LED panel operator. The mic operator and LED panel operator will administer a pledge, Sankalp pledge in local language. So Sankalp pledge they will administer. You have to select the Gram Panchayat and you enter how many people attended the particular pledge. So if suppose 50 people gathered and they took pledge, you enter 50 over here and you upload the photograph of it. And the last post event task is celebration progress. For the celebration progress, few Gram Panchayatis where the event is going to take place may have exceptionally done well in any one of these 5 particular schemes. Maybe in that particular Gram Panchayat, 100% Ayushman cards might have distributed, or every house may be given Jal Jeevan Mission connection, or your bank might have opened Jan Dhan Khatas for entire all beneficiaries of that particular Gram Panchayat, or that particular Gram Panchayat may be ODF, open defecation free, or in that particular Gram Panchayat, all land records might have digitized, or suppose in that particular Gram Panchayat, your bank might have given bank might have completed the target of giving mudra loans, such thing. You can add other and you can add description. So you need only to select yes or no. You need to select a Gram Panchayat and select yes or no for that particular celebration. So that's it. These 7 are the post-event tasks that a day nodal officer has to do. These 7 tasks may be done on the spot immediately, or you may capture the photographs and videographs during the event, and you may come back and you can upload, you can fill all the details and upload. Suppose there may be a chance that in some Gram Panchayatis, you may not have proper internet connection. In such case, what you can do is you can very well take photographs and videographs without internet connection also in your using your mobile phone. When you come to a coverage area or to an office where you have network, then you can upload the details and upload the photographs and video. So this is it from my side. If anybody having any queries, I will try to address them. Otherwise, we will conclude it.
Now editing is allowed? Any corrections, deletions?
Sir?
Editing is allowed now? Any corrections after submission? After submission?
Sir, there is no option.
I could not hear you.
Sir, your voice is too blunt, sir.
Is
Sir,
it okay now?
Sir, yes.
Your mic is not clear, Uday. He is asking whether editing is allowed.
Sir, editing is not allowed. Once you upload it, that is final. Once you click on the submit in any one of the tasks, that is final. You cannot edit it or delete it. And it
Okay.
has been observed that the uploaded photos and videos will not be shown in the portal, public portal immediately. There will be a moderator. He will be checking them and will be finalizing it. But the numbers that you have entered will be immediately get reflected.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, any queries from Canara Bank branch managers who joined from Chikmagaluru district?
Kiran, good evening, Kiran.
Yes.
Yesterday, while giving the training, few people were asking. For example, once they upload the details, they wanted to know how do we check whether the details has been uploaded successfully.
Sir, what about the expenditure, sir?
Sir, those type of administration things you can very well ask your LDM, lead bank manager. They will address you regarding the arrangements and expenditure and other things. This is only about IT portal. Yeah, Swami, Swami sir, I will show that one. Okay. I will show one user who already logged in and uploaded data so that people can understand how it reflects. I'll show that one.
You please mention that URL also, where exactly you want to see. I think you are muted.
Sir, I have shown in the beginning of the presentation only the URL. Again, I'll. So this is the portal URL.
We are unable to see, sir, that portal URL.
Sir, I shared
That
one.
URL can you post in WhatsApp group, sir?
Yeah, definitely. I'll post.
And hope these uploaded information also can be seen in the same URL.
Sir, that interface is not completely ready. That Delhi has to confirm it.
That means one has to log in and see that uploaded thing, sir.
Yes, sir.
In which login it will be available, that uploaded thing, sir?
I'll show, sir. I'll show. In respect to day nodal officer himself can check. I'll show.
Kiran, and one more thing is, as Vishnu sir was explaining in the morning, that once the videos are uploaded, it will be moderated by somebody, and then only after his approval, we'll be able to see the moderated videos. Who is the actual moderator here? Anybody from district or anybody from state or something?
I don't think it is from district because there is no option for district nodal officer role or district admin role.
Yeah,
I'm
same thing
not
was
sure.
asking in yesterday's
I'm not
training.
sure about that.
Yesterday somebody asked me like,
Yeah,
who
but
will moderate it actually?
I'm not sure about that.
Okay, okay.
I think it is centrally done. It is centrally done by some team.
Sir, now I hope I shared my screen. Are you able to see it, sir?
Yeah, please go
Yes,
ahead.
Yeah, so this is a day nodal officer who already completed the event on 19th. So if someone already geotag any event, geotag any Gram Panchayat location, you can see these two pictures, which were not there in the previous demonstration that I have shown. Okay, so if that GPs are geotagged, so Sri Taranath, he visited Kelaguru and Alduru in the last week. So both geotags are appearing over here. Okay. And if we go to Utsav committee, if you select a Gram Panchayat Kelagur, he can see he has entered Kelaguru president and officer, member. These are all Swagat committee members. Similarly, Utsav committee members. Suppose if you enter the data, the moment you select a Gram Panchayat, you will see the data that you have entered over here below the data entry screen. Okay. Suppose upload participation. I select the Gram Panchayat. Immediately you can see, yes, 15 men attended, 25 women attended. That means it shows that they have already entered. That I already told you that the videos and photographs will not be shown over here. The data that is captured only will be shown, not the videos and photos. That even Delhi team has to confirm it when they will show it. Suppose if you go to Dharti Pukarke, if you select Kelguru, yeah, there is a performance that was done. That is why it shows yes. Suppose if I select Meri Kahani Meri Jubani and I select a Gram Panchayat, see, I can see these are the names of the people, beneficiaries who participated in that particular Meri Kahani Meri Jubani. And if you go to Satat Krushi, yes, in Satat Krushi, in particular Gram Panchayat Kelagur, drone demonstration, yes, SHC demonstration, yes, interaction with natural farming, yes, women awarded, no, student facilitated, yes, 10 students, local sports person award felicitation, no, other felicitation, yes. Suppose if you go to upload on-spot services, so there is no on-spot service that has taken place in these two Gram Panchayats. And if I go to Sankalp, I can see 65 people have taken Sankalp pledge. And if I go to celebration in progress, so in this particular Kelagur Gram Panchayat, Ayushman cards were celebration, yes, JJM celebration, yes, Janathan, yes, ODF, yes, 100% land records digitized, yes. So this is how you can see once you fill the data, but only the data captured as entry things like numbers and other things only will be shown. Photographs and videos will not be shown as of now.
Krishna,
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. If there are no queries, I'll end up the session. And the same training that I have conducted now over this video conference will be available on YouTube also. Okay, I'll share the YouTube link again so that others can watch the YouTube again if they have any doubts and if they want to know how the tasks can be done again with respect to IT portal. Thank you all.